Hi,
Welcome back to
LK
Cooking. Today we're going to be making our signature chocolate mud cake. What you're going to need to make this dessert is
4 eggs
1 cup of water,
and half a cup of oil. Utensils you will need to make this dessert are
1 large bowl,
a hand mixer or a whisk,
round cake
a
pan,
spatula,
baking paper,
and butter or oil so the cake does not stick.
First, we need to preheat the oven to 180 degrees or 160 degrees fan forced. Now we're going to prepare our cooking pan with your butter and oil by wiping it up the sides. Now take your baking paper and put your pan on top. Then grab a pen and trace around and cut it out. And as you can see, it doesn't need to be perfect. Next, flip it over so the pen side is facing down and push it onto your butter.
Next, beat the eggs, water, oil and flour blend into your mix. Now you need to mix it. Once your mixture is ready, pour it into a pan. Make sure to evenly spread your batter.
Now it's ready to put in the oven.
One of our chocolate mud cake boxes contains an extremely rare golden ticket.
And if you find that ticket, you'll be able to bake with us.
Call 8431 647 598 if you find the super rare golden ticket. Our cooking brand is shipping these boxes to your local supermarket right now.
Cake is ready!
Now we are going to make the icing that goes on this cake.
For this you're going to need
125 grams of butter, melted.
and 1 tablespoon of milk.
Utensils for this are
Small mixing bowl.
a whisk and decorations of your choice.
First add your icing mix, butter and milk into your bowl. Then whisk until fully combined.
Next, frost and decorate your cake however you want. We decorated our cake by cutting it in half and putting some homemade golden decorations on the top.
Taste test time!
That's good.
Yeah. See you next time. We better get to these dishes. Stop eating!
You finished like 10 minutes ago. Let me eat in peace, jeez.
Well, if you're lucky enough to get the golden ticket, we'll see you sooner. But bye for now. Is the camera still rolling?
I don't think so.
So how was your day?
It was amazing, thank you.
This is what you get in our classic chocolate mud cake box. The chocolate icing blend and our chocolate flour blend.
Is that